Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Roudybush pellets is probably one of the most talked about bird foods on the market, and for good reason, as it offers a balanced and complete nutritional profile designed to support the health and vitality of a wide range of avian companions, from small finches to larger parrots, making it a go-to choice for many discerning bird owners seeking to provide their feathered friends with optimal sustenance. Number 5. Hatortempt 10 pounds dried mealworms. Packed with 50% protein and 32% fat, these dried mealworms provide essential amino acids. They help feathers grow faster during molting and support the creation of larger, tastier eggs. Each batch is hand-inspected to ensure you receive whole grubs, free from dust. They are double-dried for a crispy texture that birds absolutely love. These treats are not just for chickens, they are also loved by wild birds, ducks, and even lizards. They are naturally rich in vitamins A and B, making them a versatile snack. Our mealworms come in a sturdy, resealable bag designed for easy storage. This seal keeps them fresh for up to 2 years, thanks to a low moisture content that prevents spoilage. While both mealworms and BSFL encourage natural foraging, they offer different benefits. Use them together to provide complete nutrition, with mealworms focusing on protein and BSFL on calcium. What we like? If your birds are going through a molt or you're looking to boost egg production, these are a fantastic choice. They are packed with protein and fat, essential for feather regrowth and creating those delicious eggs. Their natural, whole worm texture is also a big hit with many bird species. What people say? The pellets are a good size for my parrot. My parrot loves these pellets and eats them readily. These pellets have helped improve my parrot's feather condition. Number 4. Roudybush Daily Maintenance Bird Food, 10 pounds. Give your birds the best with this wholesome blend. It provides optimal nutrition with essential vitamins and minerals for their well-being. Switching to a new food can be easy. These pellets are perfect for transitioning your bird, and no additional supplements are needed. These pellets are ideal for birds 3 inches or taller. They are the perfect size for cockatiels, canaries, and parakeets. Experience optimal nutrition with significantly less waste compared to seed diets. Choose the perfect diet for your feathered friends. With decades of experience since 1985, we use science to guide our formulations. We understand that one size doesn't fit all. What we like? If you're seeking a balanced, everyday diet that minimizes mess, this is the one. It provides complete nutrition with essential vitamins and minerals, reducing the need for supplements. It's a great all-around choice for a wide variety of adult birds. What people say? The pellets are a good size for my kana. My bird loves these pellets and eats them readily. These pellets have helped my bird maintain a healthy weight. Number 3. Roudybush Daily Maintenance Bird Food, Crumble Pellets. This daily bird food is created by an experienced avian nutritionist. It's designed to provide a consistent and dependable diet for your companion birds. Crafted with wholesome grains, these pellets offer a complete feed. You won't need additional supplements when this is the primary diet, simplifying your bird's routine. The crumble pellets have a softer, finely broken texture. This makes them ideal for birds that prefer smaller or softer pieces and easy to pick up. Designed for easy daily use, these pellets integrate smoothly into your bird's routine. It's a simple and uncomplicated feeding approach for busy bird owners. With decades of experience in bird nutrition, this brand offers a broad range of reliable options. They help keep daily feeding routines straightforward and consistent for your feathered friends. What we like? If you have smaller birds or those who prefer a softer, crumble-like texture, these are ideal. Formulated by a renowned avian nutritionist, they offer a dependable and consistent daily diet. This option is perfect for simplifying your bird's routine care. What people say? The pellets are a good size for my parrot. My bird loves these pellets and eats them readily. These pellets have helped my bird maintain a healthy weight. Number 2. Roudybush Daily Maintenance Bird Food, Medium. This bird feed is scientifically formulated by an experienced avian nutritionist. It's designed to provide a consistent daily diet for companion birds, making everyday feeding simple and reliable. Crafted with wholesome grains like corn, wheat, and soybean meal, this complete feed ensures your bird receives all the necessary nutrients. You can rely on it as their primary diet without needing extra supplements. These medium-sized pellets are ideal for larger birds that enjoy a more substantial bite. Their size helps encourage steady eating habits and reduces mess during feeding time. The 22-ounce package is a convenient size for easy storage and use. It's a practical choice for a straightforward and dependable daily feeding plan for your pet. With decades of experience in bird nutrition, Roudybush offers a wide range of reliable options. Our products are designed to keep daily feeding routines uncomplicated and consistent for bird owners. This daily maintenance food is a dependable choice for bird owners seeking a nutritious and healthy diet. It reflects years of work focused on the well-being of companion birds. What we like. If you have larger birds that enjoy a more substantial bite, consider these medium pellets. Their size is designed to encourage steady eating and reduce waste. This option is great for those looking for a scientifically backed, everyday food that fits well in smaller households. What people say. The pellets are a good size for my parrot and he eats them readily. My bird has been on these pellets for years and is very healthy. These pellets have helped my bird maintain a healthy weight and have a good nutritional balance. Number 1. Roudybush Daily Maintenance Bird Food, 44 ounces. Give your birds the best with this wholesome blend. It provides optimal nutrition with essential vitamins and minerals, and significantly reduces waste. Switching to a new food can be easy. These pellets are perfect for transitioning your bird, and no additional supplements are needed. These are ideal for birds 3 inches or smaller. They are the perfect size for lovebirds, canaries, and finches. Pelletized diets offer superior nutrition and less mess than seed mixes. We offer a variety of formulas to suit every bird's needs. We've been dedicated to bird nutrition since 1985, using science to create tailored diets. We believe one size doesn't fit all for your feathered friends. What we like. If you're feeding smaller birds like lovebirds, canaries, or finches, these nibbles are perfectly sized. They offer complete nutrition with less waste than traditional seeds. This is a great option if you're looking for a reliable, science-backed food tailored for smaller avian companions. What people say. The pellets are a good size for my parrot. My parrot loves these pellets and eats them readily. These pellets have helped my parrot maintain a healthy weight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.